Most investors quit before compounding actually starts. Not because the math does not work, because nobody explains when it actually kicks in. There is a specific rule for that, and it predicts exactly which phase you are in right now. If you are in the $200 maybe two, and you're if you're anything wrong, you are in phase 9, and phase 9 is where most investors stop. The 9751 rule describes 4 phases every investor passes through. The further you go, the more the math works in your favor. The problem is that phase 9 makes you feel like nothing is happening. Here is what the rule actually looks like. Phase 9, years 1 through 3, the grind. You are investing $200 a month at 7% annual return. By the end of year 3, your portfolio holds $7,968. Your monthly market return is $46. That is 23 cents for every dollar you put in. This is the phase that destroys most investors. $46 a month from the market does not feel real. It does not even cover a dinner. After $200 a month of consistent discipline, getting $46 back feels insulting. But this is exactly what compounding looks like before it ignites. Phase 7, year 7, returns become visible. By year 7, your portfolio has grown to $21,800. Your monthly market return is now $127. That is 63% of your monthly contribution, not from your paycheck, but from the market doing the work without you. Here is the shift. At phase 7, your market return has become a real number. $127 a month is a utility bill. It is a car payment. The market is sending you money, not enough to live on, but enough to feel. Phase 5, year 10, the tipping point. At year 10, your portfolio reaches $34,620. Monthly market return, $202. For the first time ever, the market is returning more than you are contributing, every single month. This is the tipping point. This is phase 5. 90% of people who quit investing early quit at phase 9. They never see phase 7. They never reach phase 5. The investors who give up at phase 5, at year 10, will spend the rest of their life one phase away from the machine that runs itself. Phase 1, year 15 and beyond, unstoppable. By year 15, your portfolio has reached $63,360. Monthly market return, $369, 185% of your $200 contribution. The market is generating almost double what you put in every month without any additional effort from you. This is phase 1. The compounding is now self-sustaining. Your contributions are almost irrelevant. The market has taken over. Every month at this phase, the gap between what you contribute and what you earn widens further. You are no longer the driver. You are a passenger on an accelerating machine. Year 30, $200 a month, 7% annual return. Total invested, $72,000. Account value, $243,840. The market generated 2.5 times your total lifetime contributions. Here is where AI income changes the timeline, not by changing the rule. The rule does not change. Phase 9 still exists. Phase 1 still requires a decade of consistency. What changes is the size of your portfolio at every single phase. $200 a month from AI writing tools. Freelance content for e-commerce brands, newsletters, or agencies. $200 a month from simple AI automation gigs, workflows for local businesses. That is $400 a month going into the market, not $200. The tools exist right now. At phase 9 exit, year 3, a $200 a month investor has $7,968. A $400 a month investor, powered by AI income, has $15,936. Same rule, same phases, twice the portfolio. At the year 10 tipping point, phase 5, the $200 investor has $34,620 and a monthly market return of $202. The $400 investor has $69,240 and a monthly return of $404. Phase 1 numbers at the phase 5 milestone. Year 30 with $400 a month, 200 base and 200 from AI income. Total invested, $144,000. Account value, $487,680. Adding $200 a month in AI income, invested consistently for 30 years, generates $243,840 in additional wealth, not from working harder, from one additional income stream directed entirely into the market. At $400 a month over 30 years, you contributed $144,000. The market delivered $343,680 on top of that, 2.4 times your total lifetime contribution. That is phase 1, compounded across 3 decades. If you started investing in the last 3 years and it does not feel real yet, you are in phase 9. You are exactly where the math says you should be. The investors who reach phase 1 are not smarter than you. They simply did not quit at phase 9. The 9751 rule does not change with AI income. What changes is the size of your machine at every phase. $200 a month from AI writing, automation, or content creation doubles every number in the rule. Same timeline, twice the wealth. The tools to generate $200 a month in AI income are available right now. Writing assistants, automation platforms, and prompt-based service delivery. The entry point is low. The compounding on top of it is not. That is the entire point of phase 9. Subscribe. The next video breaks down the exact AI income tools that get you from phase 9 to phase 1, month by month, tool by tool, number by number.